I believe you all know ice mining has officially stopped, and this is their latest updates on their Twitter handle, their verified Twitter handle. So you can see current quiz statistics: total users 3.8 million, remaining days 2, past quiz 1 million users, failed quiz 500,000. Congratulations to all who has dived into our knowledge base, grasped the essence of our project, and successfully completed the quiz. Reminder: BNB Smart Chain addresses must be added before February 28th. Not updating your address by February 28th could result in not receiving your ICE coins. The coins of those who didn't pass the quiz have been burned, reducing the total supply. In 2 days, accounts that haven't completed the quiz within the 14 days window will see their coin burned, further diminishing the supply. So this is quite some bad news for people who were hoping that the team would actually change their mind. So if you didn't pass the quiz, you failed the quiz, and you can't mine any longer, you can see mining disable or your account. So they have an answer for you already. They said your coins will be burned, so that you didn't go through the normal procedure by reading through, understanding the project. So sorry guys, so meanwhile, and according to the information they have there, so this is my account, so though it's reducing, and they said add your BNB address chain, but add your Binance Smart Chain address. Make sure to set your BNB Smart Chain address before February 28th, not to lose your coins. Read more. So I want to do that right now. So this I'll be doing one video. So how to do that. So how do I add a BNB address? So first of all, they do advise, they've given previous advice that you preferably use OKX. So let me move over to my OKX. I do have an OKX account. So this, if you open OKX, this is how it's going to look like. So I'm also going to drop my referral link. So in case you're here to join OKX, so I'll drop it for you. So it will be quite easy for you to register, or you can check the video description for all these. So where do I go to on this OKX now if I want to get my BNB address? So at the very bottom here, the last by the right, at the bottom at the right, you can see OKX, discover, trade, grow, and asset. So click on assets. Then you click on deposits. Then you click on deposit crypto. Then here you have it. You have on different coins. So I already have BNB on my search history, but I'm going to go through or like go over it again. So I just click on the search and type BNB. It will appear. Please do take note of this yellow sign. It means Binance Smart Chain. If it doesn't have it, that means it's not Binance Smart Chain. If it looks dark, it might just be BNB. Like there are two types of BNB: the native one and the smart one. So just be careful. But on OKX, they have just the smart one. So preferably use OKX so you don't get confused. All right. So I'm going to click on the BNB. Then right here you can see they give me an option: BNB Binance Smart Chain. Yes, I'm going to click on it. Voila, share deposit address. So I'm going to copy. So I'll copy it, address copied. So move over back to ICE. Click on this Binance Smart Chain address. Please enter your BSC address here. Click on it. Then note that the individual who added the Binance Smart Chain address to the account are not eligible to become one of the top 300 as per our white paper for the mainnet launch. True, but they've changed things over the time. So now they need me to add my address, which I'm doing right now. So confirm address. Confirmed. Yes, it's quite easy, like peasy. All right, so this is very, very easy. So guys, if you've not added your BNB address, please do that now so we don't get to miss out. Because right here you can see, you can't, like, I've been clicking on claim so that this thing refresh. Now, like, since mining has ended, nothing is happening here any longer. So guys, so just make sure you fix up your Binance Smart Chain address before February 28th, not to lose your coin. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and do share to your friends. So don't let your friends miss out if they're all ICE users. All right. So for people who have who got their account disabled for failing the quiz, I'm sorry guys. Said your coins will be burned, so there's nothing you can do to it. So sorry guys. All right. So see you guys on my next video.